While in some parts of the province there has been a decline in COVID-19 cases, Peel Region is reporting some troubling numbers. In fact, in the past week, 20% of all of Ontario's cases were reported in this region. And more troubling than that, health officials are seeing numbers that are mirroring those they were seeing back in March when restrictions were first put in place.
In some parts of the province, seem like there's no sign of it. That's not the case in the GTA. It's not the case in Peel Region. And so as much as the province is giving permission to have a gradual return to normal, we're not going to be able to return as fast in Peel Region because we have to put public health first. We have to put the health of our residents first.
As a result of the troubling trends, they are cautious about any plans to reopen. For instance, while Toronto has opened some outdoor facilities, including dog parks, they remain closed here in Brampton and Mississauga. Peel Region is delaying any reopening of outdoor facilities until at least May 25th, possibly later.
Now, I know people want to get out there, but let's not forget this virus moves and thrives on crowds and interactions, which will come as more of the community opens. I believe we will see a sustained decrease in cases if we hold tight, but we need to hold tight for the time being.
So we're currently in Streetsville Memorial Park in Mississauga, and all of the facilities here remain shut, including the baseball diamond behind me and the playground. Still a few people out because it is a gorgeous day here, and all of the facilities across the city are technically still closed, including tennis courts, skate parks, picnic benches, soccer and basketball courts. Technically, they are all permitted to reopen as part of Phase 1 of Ontario's reopening plan, but Mississauga Mayor Bonnie Crombie says they're just not there yet in this city.
Our numbers right now in terms of new cases simply do not support broader reopening at this time. We have decided to take a slower, more cautious approach to the province's reopening timelines. We must listen to the experts. Our approach will be reasonable, thoughtful, and it will be measured. It will be guided by local data and science. We cannot lose the gains that we've made in the past 10 weeks. Ours will be a made-in-Mississauga approach.
So while outdoor facilities remain closed, golf courses and marinas are reopening in this region. It is important to note that 60% of all of Ontario's cases are in the GTHA. So let's break down those numbers now. Hamilton is now up to 602 cases of the virus. Halton has 661. Peel is reporting more than 3,700. York has more than 2,000 cases. Durham is reporting more than 1,200, and Toronto is still reporting the highest number with 9,129 cases.